Okay. Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Mary Jean, your host for today. So I'm thrilled to have all of you here, from my dedicated business partners on the screen to our wonderful audience joining us. And today we're going to explore why this business has been such a powerful choice for us and how it's brought real benefits to our lives. But before we dive into those stories, we'll start with some quick introductions so you can get to know each of us a little better. So let's start with Sis Queenie.
Okay, thank you, Sis Jean. Hello, everybody. Good morning from the Philippines, and I'm Queenie Mendoza, a full-time teacher and a mother of five with one special child. That's all, Sis Jean.
Okay, thank you, Sis. And now let's go to Sis Heidi.
Hi, mayong buntag ninyo tanan. Good evening here from Toronto, Canada. I'm Heidi, and I'm originally from Cebu City, Philippines, and I am a project manager in construction here in Toronto. Thank you. And a
Thank you,
proud
Sis.
digital business owner, as we are
Yes. So,
all are.
yes. So let's go. Take it away, Sis Corazon.
Woohoo! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. We are here again. Woot woot! I would say the Eagles team. I'm so glad that we're back again to this live. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to tonight's special live chat, our group chat with this amazing ladies in our group, in our team Eagles. By the way, I'm Corazon, and I'm absolutely thrilled to have you all of or have you with us, and those who are listening to us, and hope you guys stay there until the end, right? Before we dive into tonight's exciting conversations, let me share a bit about myself. I'm not just your I'm not just a full-time employee of one of the military hospital here in Columbus, Georgia. I am also one of the officer in one of the Filipino Association, Filipino American Association in Columbus as well. And I would say I am a full-time government employee that is also serving the Columbus Military Hospital, right? It's an honor to serve our military community, and I'm also proud to be an officer, and I work to celebrate and uplift our rich culture. But I would say I want to share to you guys that I am also a very proud online business owner. Thank you,
Yes.
and have a good day, everyone.
Okay, so it's my turn. Good evening from my side of the world, and good morning or good afternoon wherever you are tuning in. I'm Mary Jean, originally from the Philippines, living here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. And I'm from Albay, Philippines. And for my fellow Bicolanos, Diyos marhay na aldaw, ubanggi po sa gabos. I'm a happy wife and a proud stay-at-home mom to my three wonderful children. I used to work part-time in the financial services industry, and now I'm thrilled to say that I'm a proud digital business owner and a business coach. So, yes,
Woot woot!
yeah. So, first, I will be sharing why this business is great for me as a mom. So, it's about the flexible working hours. So, why this business works for me. So, one of the best things about this business is the freedom to set my own hours, which makes a huge difference to me as a wife and a mom. I get to decide when I work. Unlike traditional 9 to 5 jobs, this business allows me to design a schedule that aligns with my family's needs. This flexibility means I can be present to all those moments that matter, from school events, lunch dates with hobbies, driving my kids to their activities, to everyday family time, and to spontaneous drive to the dark sky adventure with my husband without feeling like I'm sacrificing my work.
Yeah.
For me, it's about finding a balance that actually works for our family. I can jump into work when it suits our schedule and still have time for the things that are most important. So, this business let me be there for my family while building something meaningful and fulfilling for myself too. So, it's truly the best of both worlds. So, let's move on to Sis Corazon.
Okay. All right, Sis Jean, yes. Thank you for that sharing, Sis Jean. Okay. Like you said, our topic is why online business is great for me, for the moms, and of course for any professionals, right? I want to talk about first that location independence. Why is this? It's great, right? As an online business owner, that's a key benefit of online business for moms and anyone looking for flexibility. One of the standout benefits of online business is freedom to work from anywhere with just a laptop and an internet connections, right? You're not tied to a specific location. This location independence is incredibly valuable, especially for moms or anyone managing a busy life, right? Here's how it makes a difference. Work from home comfort. For moms, the ability to work from home means they can be close to their families and handle both personal and professional responsibilities without sacrificing one for the other. No need for daycare arrangements or missing out on the precious milestones with the kids. Work happens right in the comfort of home. Two, efficiency without a commute. Since there's no commute, moms or anyone with a business lifestyle serve hours each week that would otherwise be spent driving or using public transportation. This not only gives them more time with their family, but also frees up energy to focus on work or personal wellness instead of dealing with traffic or a long travel times. There you go, guys. So that is very independent. So it's really, these are really important key in running on a business, right? Where you can work anywhere, anytime. Work while traveling. Another amazing perk is the freedom to work from any location. Whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended family vacation, online business allows you to bring work along if needed while still enjoying new places. Come on, guys. You can do this anytime, anywhere, while you travel, while you sleep, and like while you are on vacation. Moms can work from the park while their kids play, or even from a coffee shop during family outings, right? The flexibility to take your business wherever you go means you never have to choose between earning an income and experiencing life, because you can do this anywhere, anytime, and balancing. I mentioned about balancing family life with work goals. Location independence allows moms to align work with their family's schedule and needs, whether it's a family event, a doctor's appointment, or simply being
Mhm.
there for school pickup. Having an online business offers the freedom to arrange work hours around family priorities. Location independence truly transforms how we think about work life balance. It allows moms, busy professionals, or anyone with a packed schedule to earn an income while living on their own. There you go, guys. That is
Oh,
my
wow.
sharing.
Wow,
Thank you.
that thank you, sis, for sharing. Now let's go to Sis Hides.
Hi. Hello, everyone. I'll be sharing why this online business has really helped me in my personal growth. It is really an incredible, this online business really was an incredible path of my personal transformation. And for all of us here, where, before I know I'm very private. I'm not confident to be facing, camera or even like this live show. But here we are. We're,
Yes.
we have conquered our fears. We are here and talking about our business and its benefit. But anyway, regarding personal growth, it's really given me a chance to develop new skills, build confidence, and uncover my strengths I never knew I had before. So this is how I've grown in this experience. We have weekly millionaires mastermind sessions. In this sessions, it's really a game changer for a lot of us. Listening to successful uh, online business owners sharing their journey and strategies has not only inspired us but also taught us how to the actionable steps to dream bigger and achieve more. Yes, you can do whatever your mind is, you know, you have in your mind. You have vision for yourself. And we have also the core for fundamentals, step by step training. The structured training has been very invaluable. It really helped me master the essential of digital marketing, leadership, and technology at my own pace, really giving me a solid foundation to build my business. And of course, we're very huge, or we have this personal, personalized mentoring and coaching. Having a mentor by my side has made all the difference. We are not doing this alone. Their guidance has kept us focused and helped us overcome challenges and encourages us to see our full potential. And of course, these regular Zoom meetings, the challenges, that's how we know each other in this group because of 90-day challenge. We don't know each other before because we're of different groups, but this time we have this, we're friends, we're like family because of
Yeah.
these challenges, because of these engaging conventions or meetups and networking opportunities. Attending these events is very inspiring. They've given us the chance to learn from top leaders, connecting with like minded individuals, and recharge our motivation to push us forward. This journey isn't just about building a business, building our digital business. It's all about who we become in the process. It's about becoming the best version of ourselves. I'm growing into a more confident, skilled, and empowered version of myself and ready to take on any challenges and embrace every opportunity. And I know we share the same kind of uh, personal growth,
Right.
Yes.
all of us
Right.
here.
Yes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, sis, for that's a very nice sharing, sis. So thank you. So now I will discuss about the financial independence. So, yes, running an online business has given me the opportunity to create an income while staying close and taking care of my family. It feels empowering to contribute financially and know that I'm helping to support our family goals, whether that's saving for the future, funding social special experiences, or just having extra security. For me, financial independence isn't just about the income. It's about the freedom and the confidence it brings. I don't have to choose between earning a living and being present with my family. This business lets me do both, and that's incredibly fulfilling. So, yes, being a stay at home mom is really fulfilling for me to be able to contribute financially. Finally, because my husband was the sole breadwinner for a very long time before I found this business. So yes, so that's about it for me. And let's go to again, Sis Corazon.
Oh,
Cause
is it my turn
Wilma,
again? Okay.
yes,
Okay. So I think I'm going to share the power of supportive online business community, right? So I would
yes,
say one of the most transformative aspects of being an online business owner is the ability to connect with a supportive and dynamic community. These networks offers much more than just mentorship. Their lifetime for growth, and I would say they lifelines for growth because we grow because of our community. They inspire us. It's our like a resilience, right? And because of this supportive community, we are growing. We have they help us in our self development, and let me tell you, this is how they help us. Number one is mentorship and guidance. Being part of a network of experienced business owners gives you access to real world advice and proven strategies. Mentors helps navigate challenges, refine ideas, I would say unlock untapped potentials, making the journey smoother and more rewarding for us. Two, motivation and accountability. Surrounding yourself with like minded individuals keeps you motivated during tough times. And that is very true for all of us. When we have, especially we have tough times, our community is so supportive that we can always reach out to everyone around the globe because we are very global. We are connected. We are not connected financially, but we're connected for like our support whenever we need them, right? So I would say accountability partners ensure that you stay on track, like you guys also ensure that we stay on track and you help us on growing in our business towards our goals, whether it's completing tasks, launching campaigns, or scaling our businesses. Resources sharing. A supportive community provides tools, templates, and resources to simplify complex tasks. Knowledge sharing saves time and enhances productivity, enabling us to focus on creativity and growth because it does enable us to grow because of this online supportive community. Problem solving through collaboration. I would say challenges that feel overwhelming become manageable when tackled together. Of course, we tackled it together. It becomes manageable and we can solve any problem because it doesn't matter what is a problem or issue or that we need a resolution. Because of our supportive community, we can solve the problem. We can all manage to grow and then to move forward. And I would say brainstorming sessions and group discussions often spark innovative solutions that wouldn't arise in isolation. We don't isolate ourselves because you know what? We always brainstorming each other. Encouragement to push boundaries. Being around ambitious peers fosters a mindset of growth and innovation. Seeing others succeed inspire us inspire us to dream bigger and take calculated risks to achieve a new heights. Global connections. Online communities break geographical barriers, allowing you to connect with people worldwide because we are global. Come on, guys, we are very global. This diversity leads to unique insights, opportunities for expansions, and cross cultural collaborations. Celebrating wins together. That's part of our supportive community. Success is sweeter when shared. Of course, you know that, guys. When we shared our success, it's a lot more, it's more rewarding when we share it to others as well, right? And whether it's a small milestone or a major victory, Our community is always ready to celebrate each other's achievements. And I would say, empowering through education, regular trainings, questions and answers sessions, and webinars empower members with the knowledge and skills to thrive. These opportunities helps you stay ahead in a competitive digital landscape. The secret ingredients, let me tell you guys, a sense of belonging. In our
Yes.
online community, you'll never be alone. Never be alone. We are more than colleagues. We're family, cheering each other on, lifting each other up, and providing that together we are unstoppable.
Yes, that's
We're
so true.
unstoppable.
So
That's
true.
so true.
That's all
Okay,
for me,
thank you,
guys.
Sis Corazon, for that amazing insight. And now let's go to Sis Queenie.
All right. Thank you, sis. Okay. Hi, everyone. Welcome and thank you for taking a moment to join us again today. So, please kindly comment in the section below where you are watching us from. And so we will know that how global we are in this community. So, whether you are a busy mom or dad or someone who is juggling a work and a family, this is for you. Okay, let me ask you something. What if you could create an income from home? Okay, from the comfort of your home, while still having the time and energy to enjoy the moment that matters most with your family, with your kids. Sounds like a dream, right? But well, it doesn't have to be. And I'm here to show you how. Okay, so I'm here to share about the scaling and automation that this digital business that we have is offering. So let's break it down. Okay, what is scaling? Scaling is about growing your business without needing to put in more hours. It's working smarter, not harder. For example, instead of earning from just one customer at a time, okay, scaling lets you reach dozens, hundreds, or even thousands all at once. Automation, on the other hand, is your secret weapon for saving time. It's using tools and technology like sales funnels, the systems that we have here in our digital business, to take care of the repetitive tasks like email, social media posts, and customer follow ups. This means your business can work for you even when you're not working on it. So, why is this perfect for busy moms and dads out there, or even those professionals, single professionals out there who are very busy? Okay, as people, as parents, as professionals, time is our most valuable resource. Everybody, the time is our most valuable resource. Between work, family, and everything else, or anything, something in between, there is barely enough time for yourself, let alone building a business. But what if a business could run in the background, giving you the flexibility, just like Sis Jean has mentioned, to spend more time with your family while still earning a sustainable income? That's the magic of scaling and automation. Okay, so what is the benefit of this online business that gives us provide us the scaling and automation? Okay, first you have the freedom to be present. Okay, imagine running a business from your phone or laptop with internet while sitting with your at your child's recital or cheering them up in their games, soccer game, basketball games, whatever. Scaling and automation let you do that. You don't have to sacrifice precious moments to build something meaningful. Okay, second, consistent income without overworking. With a scalable online business, your income doesn't depend on how many hours you work, I should say. For example, if you're selling a digital product or offering a subscription service, lets you serve hundreds of customers without putting in extra hours. And automation takes care of things like emails or processing sales so you can focus on what matters most. Flexibility. Number three is flexibility to work anytime, anywhere, whether you're at home, at park, or on a family vacation, your business goes with you. You decide when and where to work. You have no boss, no clock ins, no commute. Okay. Fourth, personal growth and fulfillment. Building your own business doesn't just bring in income. It also helps you grow as a person. You will learn new skills, build confidence, and set an example for your kids that dreams do come true. Okay. Number five. Five na ba? All right. Creating legacy. An online business is something you can grow over time and even pass on to your family. It's not just about earning an income. It's about building something meaningful that supports your life goals. All right. So why is this best time for you to start your own online business? Here's the thing. The world is moving online. More people are shopping, learning, and connecting digitally. This means the opportunity for online business are endless and they are ready for you to tap into it. Tools like automated marketing, social media schedulers, and sales funnels make it easier than ever to start and grow the business while managing a busy life. Okay, and hey, just like Sis Corazon have said, you don't have to do this alone because you have the whole community to be with you. Because thinking about this, starting out something new can feel overwhelming, but the good news is you don't have to figure it out on your own. We have our online community and the resources ready to guide you every step of the way. And actually, we're hosting a complimentary webinar where you'll learn exactly how to start your own scalable, automated online business designed for busy people like you and me who want more flexibility, time, and freedom. So, to all hardworking moms, dads, professionals out there, this is your chance. Imagine building a business that works for you while you're spending time with your kids, making memories, and living life on your terms. It's not just possible, it is achievable. Okay, that's all for me, sis.
That's
Job.
so beautiful.
Yes,
Wow.
yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Sis Queenie. So really, this business is truly a game changer for moms and working parents or professionals alike. With the flexibility to with the flexibility to set your own hours, the freedom to work from anywhere, and the opportunity to achieve financial independence, it empowers you to prioritize what matters most, your family. It also fosters personal growth, equipping you with the new skills and confidence, all while connecting you to a supportive community that uplifts and inspires. Plus, with the tools like automation and scalability, you can grow your business without compromising family time. So, a heartfelt thank you, my lovely ladies, for sharing your insights and inspiring others with your stories. Together, we're proving that it's possible to dream big, live fully, and create a
Yes.
future we love. So, yes. So, anything to add,
So
ladies? If
I
not,
would
I
say I would add this.
we'll invite for the webinar. Sis Heidi, go ahead,
Oh
please.
yeah.
oh,
Okay. So you want me to
I
go
would like
ahead?
to.
What is today? There's no or for our webinar? Who?
They
No,
can
we
Sis
can just
Heidi.
already
invite
do
to
the
invite,
registration.
Okay.
even if it's not the
All right.
webinar.
Okay, so I said it. This is so amazing session we had tonight. Thank you so much to our team Eagles. You guys are very amazing ladies, and thank you for sharing your invaluable insights and experiences with our audience, right? So they can connect with us. They can connect to us, sis. to Coach Jean, to Sis Queenie, to Sis Heights, and to myself. You can always find us in also in our Facebook page that we shared our live, right? And your journey is truly our journey, and your journey is truly inspiring for us as well. If you know, our audience has gained so much from this sharing. We shared our wisdom to them, right? So before we wrap up, I want to remind everyone that our complimentary webinar is also they can watch us as long as they can connect to our website, type their full name, their good email address, and connect with our Facebook page. And make sure you guys don't forget to click that little tiny square box. It means you are allowing us to send you the link to watch our complimentary webinar. Complimentary means in free info session. So it's free. You don't have to pay nothing. That is free for you to watch. So you will be able to see some insights about our business and some stories and testimonials of our fellow online business owners that already succeeding in this business journey. So that's all I can share for on this live. Go ahead, Sis Heights, if you have any more to say. Go ahead.
Yes, I'd like to reiterate that anybody can do this. You don't have to be tech savvy because the system is working for you. You're not, you just have to
Right.
spend probably 20 minutes of the full business and the rest is being done for you. So you don't
That's
have to
right.
be tech savvy. You don't have to be, it can be of any age. Anybody is,
True.
anybody can do this.
True.
Anybody can do this.
Okay, so thank you again, ladies, and thank you for all the sorry, thank you for all
Viewers.
those who are watching. Sorry, I cannot access who is watching, but for those also who are watching the replay, thank you for tuning in. And yes, just register your name and email to any of our website and hope that we can see you on the other side. So thank you again, and thank you, ladies. So bye
Thank
for
you.
now. Bye bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye. Bye,
Have a nice
everyone.
weekend,
Bye.
God bless
everyone.
and have an awesome weekend. Bye.
Bye.